If you thought this tablet is just for reading, wait till you hear how it handles gaming. Spoiler, it is not what you expect, but not totally useless either. TCL's NxtPaper 11 Plus is built to protect your eyes and help you get work done without strain. But can it actually be your go-to casual gaming device? Let's be honest, it is not made for heavy gaming, but if you want to know exactly what it can do and where it fails, I have tested it with popular games like PUBG and Genshin Impact so you don't have to waste time. First off, the MediaTek Helio G100 inside this tablet is an entry-level chipset. It does fine with lightweight games and simple stuff. PUBG Mobile on medium settings runs at about 30 FPS, that's playable but nothing to write home about. When I tried Genshin Impact, the frame rate dropped way below comfortable levels. Expect stutters and lag if you try to push it with demanding games. Think of it like this, it is a comfy couch, not a racing car. Good for casual sessions, not for serious gaming marathons. When it comes to heating, the TCL NxtPaper 11 Plus stays surprisingly cool during light use thanks to its efficient MediaTek Helio G100 chip. Even after around 45 to 60 minutes of casual gaming, I noticed only mild warmth on the back, nothing uncomfortable or alarming. But push it with heavier games like Genshin Impact and the tablet starts to heat up noticeably after about 20 to 30 minutes. It does not get dangerously hot, but the warmth can make holding it less comfortable during long sessions. In terms of how long you can game continuously, expect around 1 to 1.5 hours of casual gaming before you might want to take a break and let it cool down a bit. For more demanding titles, the playtime drops closer to 30 to 45 minutes before performance throttling and heat buildup slow things down. So, this tablet is better suited for short, casual gaming sessions, not extended marathons. The 11.5-inch screen is crisp and easy on the eyes thanks to the NxtPaper technology, which basically cuts down blue light and harshness. That is awesome for reading and note-taking, but it makes colors look washed out in games. So if you want rich, vibrant graphics, this is not the tablet for you. One thing this tablet nails is battery life. 8,000 mAh means it can last all day if you are not gaming non-stop. Plus, the IP54 rating makes it splash resistant, which is great for daily carry. It feels light and solid in hand, which helps when you are gaming or working for hours. Buy this if your main use is reading, productivity, and casual gaming here and there. It is a niche device that does a few things well but tries to do gaming as a side hustle. Skip this if you want smooth, high-performance gaming or punchy visuals. You will be disappointed. The TCL NxtPaper 11 Plus is honest about its limits. It is a strong choice for eye comfort and battery life, with casual gaming possible but not impressive. At €250, it is worth it only if you value the reading and productivity features more than hardcore gaming.